Hi guys, it's Miss Lester again. I'm here to go over with you the work for this week and how to complete it, just sort of like review this document with you. Through the magic of technology, I'm still waiting for my zucchini bread to come out of the oven, but I'm traveling forward in the future to tomorrow to help show you guys how to complete your work. So if you go to Google Classroom and you open up the document, it's important to note that any work you do in this document, I can see as you go through the process. Because the way Google Classroom works is I made a copy for everyone, so that way each person has their own individual copy that you're doing work in incrementally each day. Now, if you decide that you want to go ahead and knock out all of this work on Monday, or if you want to work in advance, then feel free to do that. Just understand that like when you've finished all of your work, you need to make sure that you let me know that you're done by clicking submit. That's how I know that you're done with all of your work in this document. And I can go ahead and grade it and give you a score on it. But my plan is, as it says here, I'm going to pop into this document a couple of times this week at different points just to see like how far you've gotten and to give you feedback on what you've done so far. So that's sort of like the rules of the game as we go through. So as you can see here at the top, this is designed to help you review for the FRQ2 prose essay. If you watched my video yesterday, and if you did a little investigation, you know that the AP exam this year is going to be an FRQ2 essay only. No multiple choice, no FRQ1 on poetry, no FRQ3 for literary argument. This is just FRQ2. So we're going to focus our review on FRQ2. So at the top of the document, you can see here's the schedule for the week, what you're going to be doing each day. The title of the the title of the story, the passage that you're going to be looking at is Cherry Bomb. The author is Maxine Clare. And here is day 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, or Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, what you're going to be doing each day. Now, plan to spend about 20 minutes a day working on this. Like I said, if you want to work ahead and go ahead and knock it out all in one day, that's fine. But you should spend an average of about 20 minutes a day on this, except for Wednesday, which would be 40 minutes, because that's when you're going to write your actual essay. So at first thing here, you have sort of an overview of what the prose fiction analysis essay, or the FRQ2, is all about. So that's for you to sort of just like figure out how to approach it, how you should spend your time, 2 minutes here, 8 minutes there, 3 minutes here, etc. So first thing you're going to do is kind of skim through this, look over it, and then down here in this box, you're going to record any questions you have about the FRQ2. So that's step 1, and that's only going to be for this first week, okay? Then I'll make sure I resolve that comment. Sorry about that. What you're going to do is you're going to read the story and annotate it. Now, technology is great, but obviously you can't write on your screen. So what you can do to annotate is you can use comments. You can add in ideas. You should be able to annotate and manipulate text just like you would on the platform when you do your exam. So go through, do some annotations, read, take some notes. Then down here, the box is asking you to talk about which theme is the strongest, what choices Maxine Clare makes to express that theme, and use textual evidence to back up your responses. So in this box, that's basically what you're going to record your thoughts. And that's it for day 1. So day 1, you're annotating, brainstorming, recording your thoughts. Then if you scroll on down, day 2 is when you write your thesis statement and you come up with your outline. So there's a reminder here of what the prompt was. Here's where you write your OEL thesis statement. Here's where you record your ideas for your body paragraphs 1, 2, and 3. Remember, there's no specific elements for this question, so you can talk about whatever literary elements you want to. And then make sure you're answering the OELI thesis statement or the question, which is focused on characterizing the adult narrator's memories. So make sure that your thesis statement is focused on that particular question. Okay. And that's it for day 2. So day 2, you're literally doing your outline, 20 minutes, right? Day 3, that's when you're going to actually write your essay. So there's a box here. You already have your thesis statement. You already have your outline to work from. Set a timer for 40 minutes and hold to it. Make sure that you're sort of like trying to practice as closely as you can to what you're actually going to be doing on the exam. So day 3, on Wednesday, that's when you write your essay. Okay. Then day 4, you've seen this before. This is the AP exam rubric for FRQ2. What you're going to do is you're going to, for day 4, you're going to read over your essay and give yourself a score on it. Here's the box where you're going to put your score and your rationale. So make sure you explain why it is you think the way you do. And then answer this overall question, which is like, what's the main element you can improve on? So that is going to be day 4 or Thursday. Now, day 5, you're going to read some exam samples from the College Board. There's a click button here to take you to this document, which is the free release from the College Board. There are 3 example essays here, and the scores are in there as well at the end. What you're going to do is you're going to pick one. So there's 2A, 2B, or 2C. Pick one of those essays and then write your response to that essay. Or I'm sorry, no, you're not going to write your response to that essay. You're going to use the same rubric that you used to score yours, to score the sample essay, and just sort of like repeat that process. And that's it. Like, that's the entire week's worth of work. So what you're going to do is fill out all of the boxes. And again, they're marked, all of the tasks are marked in red. So make sure that you use those to record your thoughts, to record your rationales, do exactly what is asked of you. Then when everything is done, make sure you click submit on Google Classrooms, and that will be your work for the week. Okay. Also included on this post is a link to our coach class. If you're confused, come see us in coach class on Mondays at 2 or Wednesdays at 12. And in between time, send us emails, me specifically, if you have questions about how this is going to go. Okay. I hope you guys are having a great day today. And if you have any questions, please make sure you ask them. Thanks.